Introducing Trafalgar's Security Access Panel range. The next generation of high-quality, Australian-made security access panels have been designed for use where there is a need to provide security as well as access. Trafalgar's security access panels allow for an aesthetically pleasing means of providing secure access into walls and ceilings, and are fully customizable to meet any security specification. The Security Access Panel range currently has 3 variants: the Low Security Access Panel, the Medium Security Access Panel, and the High Security Access Panel. The Low Security Access Panel has a 1.1mm steel construction and comes standard with a key cam lock, and has optional door infill and lock upgrades available. This option is ideal for commercial environments. Our Medium Security Access Panel has a thicker 1.6mm steel construction that comes standard with a night latch and a lock shroud to prevent unintended access. This option also features welded pin continuous piano hinges that are flush with the door to maintain a clean aesthetic, making it ideal for hospitals, mental health facilities, banks, and airports. The High Security Access Panel comes with all the features of the Medium Access Panel, plus more. This variant comes with a thicker 2mm steel door and is standard with an SCEC L3 bilock and MDF infill, making it the perfect option for correctional centres, defence sites, courthouses, and police stations. Adding to this, all Trafalgar's security access panels also have powder coating and stainless steel options available for external use. Trafalgar's security access panel range offers many advantages over the range of traditional security access panels. Our security access panel range is Australian made, guaranteeing the highest quality and short lead times. All our options feature an anti-lignature and anti-tampering design, and are fully welded, pre-primed, and ready for easy installation. Also, with a wide range of lock and panel options available, our security access panel range is fully customizable. The security access panel range is ready for installation on your next project. Trust Trafalgar. With the security access panel range installed on your site, you can trust that access to your project's walls and ceilings is secure.